In this exercise, we will learn the Artboard tool.
Basically, the Artboard tool is used to create different pages in a specific window page in Photoshop. It is the best tool to select specific sizes for a website page or different mobile app pages in one document window. This tool is also very helpful to create print material. For example, business cards, brochures, or banners. We can create front and back or many pages of brochures. Okay, let's see how this will work. Let's right-click on the Move tool, and here we can see the Artboard tool underneath the Move tool. And here we have a V shortcut key. Here we will need to press Shift and V to switch on this tool as a shortcut key. Okay, let's select the Artboard tool and press left-click on the mouse and drag it, something like that. We can see here a new artboard is opened and the background is removed. In the layer panel, we can see we have a different type of layer that only shows us an artboard layer. Okay, on Artboard, we can see we have the plus sign icons on the top, bottom, left, and right side. This means we can add more artboard pages here. Okay, let's click on the right side artboard plus sign. We can see we now have 2 pages, and we can create more and as many as we want. We can also create on the top side, right side, and on the bottom side. All pages will have separate layers in the layer panel, and we can hide and show any pages by clicking on this eye icon in the layer panel. Okay, now let's look above at its control options. We can see here we have different sizes of pages for specific use in iPhone models, iPads, MacBook, and iOS. There are many options here. For example, you may want to choose any here, and after selection of the size, just click on here. Add new artboard icon and anywhere to add. And we can also adjust width and height, something like that. Next, we have Page Landscape option and Portrait option, and we can choose any option from here very easily. Okay, next we have the Alignment option. We can align artboard by selecting 2 or more artboards by pressing and holding the Shift key and selecting any artboards that you would like to align. And we can align on the top, left, side, and bottom. These are all a nice option to align pages. Okay, next we have Gear icon option. Let's keep all these checked on by default. These artboards are very helpful to create multi-pages in Photoshop.
Basically, these options are used in other Adobe software like Adobe Illustrator, and now Photoshop CC has introduced this option in the latest version. And that is very cool.
Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Marquee tool.